Students, today we are going to discuss about empirical formula and molecular formula. Children, molecular formula is the actual or exact formula of the compound, and empirical formula is the simplest formula. Let us know better. See, for example, hydrogen peroxide molecular formula is H2O2. If I am going to write the simplest way, then the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 1 is to 1. So the empirical formula can be written as HO. Similarly, molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. If I am writing the ratio in the simplest way, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen ratio, I am going to write it as 1 is to 2 is to 1. So the empirical formula of glucose is CH2O. Similarly, benzene molecular formula is C6H6. If I am writing in the simplest way, the ratio of carbon and hydrogen is 1 is to 1. That's why empirical formula of benzene is CH. Now I guess you understood the meaning of molecular formula and empirical formula. Molecular formula is the actual formula, whereas empirical formula is the simplest formula. Then let us solve some of the questions related to molecular formula and empirical formula. So there is a question: find the molecular formula of the compound whose molar mass is 26 grams and where the percentage mass composition of hydrogen is 7.7 and carbon is 92.3%. Children, first step is you write down the elements given in the question. There are two elements given in the question. Which are those? Hydrogen and carbon. So I have written the symbol hydrogen and carbon in the first column. Second column, I am going to write the percentage mass. So percentage of carbon is 7.7 and carbon is 92.3. That I have mentioned in the second column. Percentage, what given in the question, I have mentioned. Third column, I am going to convert the percentage into grams. So 77.7%, 7.7 grams. 92.3%, I can write it as 92.3 grams. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल मैंने परसेंटेज को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट किया है. थर्ड कॉलम आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द moles. In the next column, in the next step, I'm going to find out the moles, number of moles of hydrogen and number of moles of carbon. How to find out that? That we can find out by a simple formula: mass given in the question divided by molar mass of that element, that atom. For example, in the question, hydrogen mass is 7.7 given, 7.7 grams, and molar mass of hydrogen, how much, children? It is 1 gram or 1.01 gram per mole. So when I do this, when I divide the mass by molar mass of hydrogen, I'll get 7.6 as an answer. Similarly, carbon mass is 92.3 grams given in the question, divided by molar mass of carbon is 12.01 grams. When I divide this, I'll get 7.69 as a mole, number of moles. So if I see properly, the hydrogen number of moles and carbon number of mole is almost the same, 7.6 and 7.69. So in this, the smallest value, which, children? In these two, the smallest number of mole value is hydrogen, that is 7.6. So what I need to do is, in the next step, both these values I should divide with this number. For example, the moles of hydrogen is 7.6, divide with the smallest number of moles, that is 7.6, I'll get 1. Similarly, the number of moles of carbon is 7.69. I should divide with the smallest number of moles, that is 7.6. Here also I'll get the value 1 as a mole ratio. So mole ratio of hydrogen is 1, mole ratio of carbon is also 1. Then that I am going to consider as a empirical formula. So children, the mole ratio of carbon and hydrogen are, mole ratio of carbon is 1 and hydrogen is also 1. So because of this, I am going to consider the empirical formula of this particular compound as CH. Now the next step is, so as I got the empirical formula CH, I am going to find out its mass, empirical formula mass. How to find out? Add the atomic weight of carbon and hydrogen. Atomic weight of carbon is 1 12 and hydrogen is 1. So I'll get 13. 13 as the empirical formula mass. Now what I need to do is I have to divide, since the ratio of molar mass is 26 and empirical molar mass is 13 I got now. So when I divide, I'll get the value 2. This 2 value I need to multiply with the empirical formula. Whatever the value I got, this I should multiply with the empirical formula. Empirical formula what we got? CH. See children, empirical formula we got CH. The mass is 30 and molar mass is 26. Mass is 13. Empirical formula mass is 13. Molecular mass is 26. So 26 divided by 13, I got 2. This 2 I am going to multiply with the empirical formula. Empirical formula is CH into 2. Then I'll get molecular formula C2H2. C2H2 is the molecular formula of this particular question. Next, we will have one more question. Ribose has a molecular mass 150 grams per mole. Ribose का molecular mass है 150 ग्राम और उसके केमिकल कंपोजिशन में आता है कार्बन का 40%, हाइड्रोजन 6.67% and oxygen 53.3%. Now first step what we need to do children, percentage we have to convert into grams, percentage we have to convert into mass. So I have converted. So 40% is equal to 40 grams, 6.67% is equal to 6.67 grams and 53.3% is equal to 53.3 grams. Now what we need to do next step, we have to find out the moles. How to find out? Mass by molar mass. Molar mass of carbon how much children? 12. So 40 divided by 12 will get 3.33 moles. Similarly, hydrogen mass is 6.67, molar mass is 1, we will get 6.60. Similarly, oxygen mass in the question is 53.3 grams divided by mass of oxygen is 16. So 53.3 divided by 16 will get 3.33. So children, carbon number of mole is 3.33, hydrogen is 6.60 and oxygen 3.33. Now in all these three value, the smallest value is 3.33. Now with this value, I need to divide all this number of moles. See children, the number of moles of carbon is 3.33. I need to divide with the smallest number of mole 3.33. I'll get 1. Similarly, the hydrogen number of mole is 6.60. I have to divide with the smallest number of mole 3.33. I got 2. Next, the smallest number of moles of oxygen is 3.33 and the smallest number of mole is 3.33. I'll get 1. So the mole ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen I got in a way carbon 1, hydrogen 2 and oxygen also 1. So the empirical formula I got here is CH2O. Empirical formula is CH2O is the empirical formula. Now to find out the molecular formula, we must know empirical formula mass. Empirical formula what children? CH2O. Let us find out its mass. कैसे find out करें? Carbon 12, hydrogen 2 ones are plus oxygen 16. So you add 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 16 18, 18 plus 12 30. 30 grams per mole is the mass of empirical formula. Now in the next step, we are going to calculate the molecular formula. So molecular mass in the question they have given. Molecular mass of the ribose is 150 grams per mole. So empirical formula mass how much? 30. So we need to divide 150 with this 30. So whatever the value comes, that is 5. So 150 is the molecular mass of the ribose and empirical formula mass we got 30. Empirical formula what children? CH2O. So when we do this division, we got the n value 5. So now this 5 we have to multiply with the empirical formula. Empirical formula what? CH2O. So then we will get the molecular formula C into 5, C5, H2 into 5, H10, O into 5, 5. So molecular formula is C5H10O5. Now in this case, as you can see, the iron percentage in the question 69.9, oxygen is 30.1. I have converted into gram. into mass, percentage by mass I have converted, and atomic mass of iron is 55.85. When I divide mass with this atomic mass, I got 1.25 for iron. Similarly, for oxygen, when I divide mass of oxygen 30.1 with the atomic mass of oxygen 16, I got 1.88. Now, in these two values, 1.25 and 1.88, of course, 1.25 is the smallest value of moles of the element. 1.25 is the smallest mole value. What I have to do is, both these values I have to divide with 1.25. When I do that, similar, for example, 1.25 divided by 1.25, I got 1, no problem. But when I divide 1.88 with 1.25, I got a fraction value, that is 1.5. Now in this case, what we need to do is, the simplest value, simplest whole number molar ratio when we will get by multiplying with the 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 and 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3. So if you are getting molar ratio in fraction, all the molar ratio should be multiplied by 2. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2 and 1.5 into 2 is 3. So in this case, the ratio of iron and oxygen is 2 is to 3, and the empirical formula is Fe2O3.